Zion National Park. Day 3. Hiking the Angel Landing. You have to have a permit to do Angel Landing. The only way you can get a permit is to do the lottery. You can go to the business center to do the lottery. Follow me, I'll take you to the Angel Landing. Take the bus from Business Center. Get off at stop number 6. I usually eat a little before I start hiking. Make sure to bring a lot of water with you.
They're all going together. Isn't it amazing? So much.
Okay, everyone. Just want to let you know that we start way around that mountain over there, and it was just like switch back all the way, and we still have a little bit more than halfway to go. We're almost there. I'm glad I did. Coming up and down. I think I'm just sweating. Okay, we finally made it to the Scout Overlook, and it's about 2.5 hours to get up here. Like I said earlier, it's nothing but switchback. It's pretty tough, but it's doable. Gonna try to sneak in. Okay, we are here in between Scout Overlook and Angel's Landing. To the left side of me, there's a Scout Overlook, and if you want to go to Angel's Landing, it will be to the right side of me. You do need a permit, which unfortunately we don't have. So if you guys do want to do Angel's Landing, you would have to try to get a permit for that. And we're going to try to get one too next time. So there's Angel's Landing, you can see.
How many people entered the lottery every day?
You have a permit? A permit?
Until next time, hopefully.
Ready? they said animals.
There she is. Look at her.
Make it too. What's on my code?
It's still very college student race, so everyone comes back and it's like, yeah, those archer schools are usually good. Yeah, I was thinking like 27, 30, yeah, or like second to fifth.
I found this when I hike at Angel Landing, so be careful.